Experience the charm of the past in this stunning two-story home. Relax on the spacious porch or balcony, surrounded by the soothing sounds of a nearby creek and beautiful scenery. This private haven offers plenty of space for outdoor activities like gardening or simply enjoying nature. Plus, a big outbuilding provides ample storage. Step back in time and make this historic home yours. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.